Hi, today we are going to discuss one IIT problem from Newton laws of motion. Look at this diagram. This is M block which is having root 3 kg mass and F force is acting on this block with a 60-degree angle with the horizontal and coefficient of friction mu is 1 by root 3. And what is the maximum force should apply to doesn't move? What is the maximum force can apply to maintain the without moving this object? That is the question to us. Take a free body diagram. What are the forces are acting? Let us take this is a smooth surface and let us take this is a small object we are taking for understanding purpose. This is the smooth surface. On this, what is the force is acting? F force is acting. This is F force. Now this angle is how much he gave? 60 degree. 60 degree. So opposite angle also 60 degree. We can take this. Now this force I am going to resolve into two components. One is here vertical component and a horizontal component. Here vertical component is for this vertical component is F sine 60. What about this component? F cos 60. Now on this block weight is acting downward direction, that equals to mg. And at the same time on the block, due to this earth surface, normal force act upward direction, that is take it as normal m. Now when the force is acting on this block, the block tries to move forward direction. At that time frictional force act backward direction. So frictional force here, static frictional force will act backward direction. Because the force maximum force should apply to doesn't move. That's why at that time the block is not moving. At that time friction force is static friction force, it acts opposite direction. Now this force we resolve into two components. So we can drop this force. Now equate these all forces. This force, and this force, both are equal. Now normal force, what is normal force here? Normal force which is equal to upward force equals to downward force, because the block is not moving either upward direction or downward direction. That's why here we can write upward force equals to downward force. N equals to, we can write mg plus F sine 60. F sine 60. Here m value is we know that root 3 into g plus F sine 60 is sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 sine 60. We can write here root 3 by 2. This is the normal force. Let us take this is equation 1. Here what is the static frictional force? Static frictional force Fs equals to mu into n. Here mu value you know that 1 by 2 root 3, n value is root 3g plus F root 3 by 2. By simplifying here root 3 gets cancelled, here root 3 gets cancelled. By simplifying we can write this is g upon 2. By multiplying this root 3 gets cancelled. Again root 3 gets cancelled, plus we can get F upon 4. So let us take this is Fs value, this is equation 2. Now the block doesn't move. The block doesn't move. It means here the static frictional force must be greater than or equal to this force. Then only the block doesn't move. This F static frictional force. Here F static frictional force is greater than or equal to F cos 60. Then only the block doesn't move. Here Fs value, you know that you substitute here G upon 2 plus F upon 4 is greater than or equals to F cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Now this move that side, then what will happen here? G upon 2 is greater than or equals to F upon 2 minus F upon 4. Now again take 4 LCM, 4 F. G upon 2 is greater than or equals to, take LCM 4, this is 2F minus F we can get. This is G upon 2 is greater than or equals to, this is F upon 4. Here move this 4 this side, 4G upon 2 is greater than or equals to F. 2 1 ja 2 2 ja 2C. That implies here what we can write, F is less than or equals to 2G. Here G value, you know that. What is the G value? G value is 10 meter per second square. So substitute here F is greater than, F is less than or equals to 2 into 10, which is equal to 20 Newton. So maximum value means you can take the F equal to, we can take to get the maximum value, F maximum equals to 20 Newton. 20 Newton force we need to apply on the block. 2 doesn't move. That is the answer for that.